There's a bit of a snafu during the Super Bowl. I don't know if you watched it at all, Will. Speaking of sports, apparently 2 Super Bowl ads had the exact same footage from different companies. It was a stock video mishap.
Oh. Can't blame them. Come on. If
it's a company called Film Supply, and they let you get those clips.
Yeah.
It's like when you get the photos, stock photos,
sure,
stock audio.
Yeah.
But when it's an actual video clip, and it's the most important day of your advertising agency's entire year, it's the Super Bowl, and you have the same footage as the next commercial?
Literally back to back?
No, I'm exaggerating.
But in the Super Bowl.
I'm exaggerating. So there was a company, a job site, Indeed, and a mortgage company called Guaranteed Rate. And they used the exact same video clip from Film Supply. Now, Film Supply took some heat for it. Eventually, they made a joke about it. They paid millions of dollars for this spot to essentially run the same clip.
Boy.
Now, Film Supply said, you know what? It's their fault because we have an option on our site to buy the exclusive rights so no one else can use it. And they both went for the cheaper option.
Just to save a few.
Now, one of the companies, Guaranteed Rate, they made the commercial on their own in-house. So maybe they have an excuse. Like, you're not really in the ad, you know, I don't know. But on the other hand, the Indeed commercial was made by 72andSunny, which is an ad agency.
Oh.
Very big ad agency.
So I'm guessing they're in trouble.
They might be getting a few words from their client. How did this happen? And so forth. But it's kind of a sign of the times to a certain extent, where it's like all this stuff is being sourced. It's hard to get out and shoot material. We have so much high quality footage to choose from online. And increasingly, this is the method by which content is being created. Mm-hmm. Stock video, stock photo. It looks like their color correction was a little different.
Yeah.
Anyway, not only did Film Supply crack a little joke about it, but so did Popeyes. Because you know Popeyes is always, their social media, always on top of the snafu. Mm-hmm. Well, they put out a tweet with a video clip. And if you watch it here, what you're going to see is they also inserted the stock footage right there.
Not even color corrected? It's
no,
just
no.
inserted?
No. Does this mean we can have an ad in the big game too?
That's funny.
Yeah, so they went and got the stock footage. It's meme stock footage. Shout out to Popeyes. They're quick.
Yeah.
They're quick, man. I'll tell you what, they're quick enough that they sell a few chicken sandwiches. Mm-hmm. I'll tell you what.